Because if you're going to look the complications related to diabetes, nariyan po ang kidney. Okay? Alam natin, nandyan ang heart, utak na apektuhan. But now, we will concentrate on the kidney itself. So look at this one. 58% of patients with type 2 diabetes will develop chronic kidney disease. So if you were able to get your diabetes at an early stage, the longer that you have your diabetes, the higher the chance that you may get chronic kidney disease. Remember, diabetes is a lifetime illness. So screening is not only for CKD, screening is also for early diagnosis of diabetes, because we would like to prevent those patients with diabetes from having chronic kidney disease. Not only that, 50% of patients with diabetes will eventually also develop a heart condition we call heart failure. 3, wala pa yan sa dialysis. Kasi yung dialysis nasa stage 5 na yan. So, we have time to prevent or delay the progression to CKD. So what if, let's say, I saw a patient with CKD, pinabayaan natin. Maybe in 3, 6 months or 1 year, nagda-dialysis na siya. Then that is math computation, early dialysis, early expenditure. But from stage 3, patient was taken care of. We were able to delay dialysis for 10 years bago nag-dialysis yung pasyente. In that span of 10 years, we save a lot of money, not for the government, but also for the family.